Hello, this is Gus. I'm going to be joining the Gathering of Tribes. I guess you're going to do that as well. And I'm willing to make a very particular invitation today. I'm not inviting you to join a camp. I'm not going to lead any camp. Probably I'm going to participate in your camp, or in your camp, or in your camp. No, the invitation that I'm going to share today is to join me for a path, join me for a journey. Join us for a Camino. Join us for the Camino de Santiago. But this is an invitation to join me in a of pilgrimation, a journey. We're going that way, eh? The gathering of tribes is an opportunity to connect with different people, not only with your tribe, but with many different tribes, of course. The tribe that I want to invite you to join is a little bit different. We are a global community that is willing to develop a new and more meaningful relationship with the sacredness, with ourselves, with our communities, with our Mother Earth. My name is Gustavo. I'm the summoner of an organization that is called Religio DAO. We are a DAO, a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, just a community that is gathering together with the purpose to bring the sacred back to life. We want to invite and inspire the whole globe to develop a new relationship with what is sacred to them. This means that after we finish the gathering of tribes, we are going to gather together just a group of people, whoever wants to join me, whoever is feeling and receiving the call to join us, and start our journey. It's going to be a few days of inner reflection, community connection, and a really nice opportunity for us to develop a new relationship with what is sacred to us. What does that mean? How are we bringing sacredness to our life? How are we bringing sacredness to our tribes, to our communities? This is an invitation to join us to walk through several days. We're talking about walking 120 kilometers distance. This is something that we can do in a week, approximately speaking, after the gathering of tribes. This is the call. This is the invitation. Just come and join us. Few days of walking. We're going to walk. We're going to laugh. We're going to live. We're going to be free with no time. We're going to walk north to our North Star. We're going to do whatever we want as long as we are in there together and as long we are willing to do one step forward, one step at a time, one step at a time, one step at a time. Say hello. Hi. My name is Gustavo, and I'm inviting you to participate in the Gathering of Tribes in a really different way.